Hi, welcome to Yoke's YouTube channel. I'm Liz Mathew, the regulated Canadian immigration consultant. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you all are doing good. So today our topic is basically on withdrawing application from IRCC, how to go about it, and what are the steps that we need to follow. So, can you withdraw an IRCC application? This is a question that we get. Yes, you can request IRCC to withdraw or cancel your application if it is still being processed or processing hasn't started yet, and IRCC must approve this withdrawal request. Just because you send that web form to IRCC doesn't really mean that your application is withdrawn right at that point. They need to confirm to that withdrawal. So common reasons why people would withdraw an application is in some situations like submitting a wrong application, or you no longer wish to sponsor your partner, or you no longer want to travel to Canada. You want to basically cancel that application, you would use the withdrawal application, or you received approval from another immigration program. These are all common reasons why someone would withdraw an application. So how you would go about it is go ahead and type in Google IRCC Web Form. So this is a web form application withdrawal. So basically how it works is that you need to log on to the IRCC's web form. Once you log on to IRCC's web form, you would then get to a page. And that page is basically asking you what you would like to be doing. So the first, if you are someone who is withdrawing an application, you would choose update your application. That is the option that you would go for. Then you would reach to the next page. When you click on update your application, they would be like, there are so many options in there, and then you would select on withdraw or cancel your application. Then you would be reaching on to another page. It asks you who you are basically. Are you the principal applicant, the representative, or are you the person writing on behalf of the principal applicant? So whatever is your situation, please do click on it. And then you would be reaching to the next page, which basically asks about the principal applicant who is on that application, their details such as their first name, last name, email address, and confirming the email address and date of birth, the country of birth, what is the application number and what type of application was applied, and the UCI number, and basically give a brief explanation on what type of application it is. And you would be also able to upload documents with it. So what are some of the supporting documents that you could add in a withdrawal application? Could be maybe a letter basically describing the situation, why you want to withdraw that application, with the application details such as the UCI number, the first name, last name, and why the withdrawal, and get that signed. So that's an official confirmation from the applicant confirming that they'd like to withdraw it. And that's something that IRCC does look out for. And once that's done, you add that document and you consent. And then you get to review whatever you have put together. That'll help you to submit. If everything is good, you go ahead and submit the web form to IRCC in terms of withdrawal. Then you wait to hear from IRCC in terms of the response. So that's basically how withdrawal of a IRCC application can be done. If this video has been helpful to you, please do let us know. Reach out to us. We'll be happy to help you out, and see you all in the next video.